today we're going to be talking about how the human body is organized. So, we have the basic levels of organization for all living beings, and that is cell, that's self-explanatory, tissue, a collection of cells doing one specific task, like extremely specific, organ, which is a collection of different tissues which work together to do one specific function, and then you have organ systems, which is a bunch of organs that are working together, once again, to do one even larger, more general task. And then you have the whole organism. So in the types, and this is increasing in the sense, so in the types of tissue, you have four main parts. You have nervous, and you have muscle, you have connective, and you have epithelium. So each of these is a little different. The nervous system is made of nerves, obviously, which transmit electrical signals. Yeah, that's what nervous tissue is. They transmit electrical signals, and then if you have enough of them, you can use it to think and be conscious. So they transmit electrical signals. Now muscle tissue, it contracts. That's what it does. And then you have three main types of muscle tissue. You have cardiac, that's in the heart, and this is involuntary. You have smooth, and you have skeletal. The skeletal muscle is what's connected to your bones, your skin, and this is the only type of muscle you have voluntary control over. So, as I'm talking, my mouth is being moved by skeletal muscles. The cardiac is the heart, that's involuntary, not so like that. And smooth, these are found in blood vessels and stuff on the outside, and when they contract, the blood vessel itself contracts, so it's used for stuff like that, and when you swallow, it helps move your, it's called the water food down your esophagus to your stomach by rhythmic contractions. And skeletal, that's, yeah, this is conscious. Now connective tissue is sort of an interesting category because it is named connective because it just says they fill in the gaps, but it's actually, this includes blood, bone, and this secretes the extracellular matrix, or ECM, which anchors all the other cells in place and acts as a communication hub. This is an area of active research. It's all pretty interesting. Yeah. And then you have epithelial tissue. So this surrounds a pathway or like a tubule like this, and then you have stuff in here. And then it's used for secretion or absorption of, stuff like ions, ions, organic molecules, etc. And these are interesting. So you have several different types of epithelial tissue. They can be flat or squamous, and they can be cuboidal shaped, or they can be like simple, which is only one row, or they could be many, which is, or they could be, I forget the term, but they could be stacked as well. And they're all attached to this basement membrane. Right? And here is your epithelial tissue. And then here's your pathway that you're secreting like over. And this is called your basal side, and this side is called your